poi in overhand on your side here. Do the figure 8 to the inside of your arms, wrap it up, and then split the time into the buzzsaw. So you're here, you cross it, you wrap it, you pinch, and then you go into the buzzsaw. You're on the outside at the same time, cross it to the inside, wrap it around your fingers, pinch, and then split the time into buzzsaw. Let's bring it back out. Going to same time. Okay, now we're gonna try this. We'll start from same time, go into split time, then go to split time big. Remember this? It's been a while. Then go back to small, then go back to big. 2, 3, and 4, and now we're gonna go small, and then we'll go into same time for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now bring it in, into your buzzsaw, pinch, wrap, go small, split the time, and now let's bring it back to the outside, release it into long, regular full poi, and then split time again, and now split time big, 2, 3, 4, and back to small, and then same time, and then stall back, and stall front. Now you're still in same time. Now we're gonna bring it to the inside, wrap and pinch, go into your buzzsaw, and then bring it back to the outside, release to full length, split time big, put your right foot forward, swivel to underhand, swivel back to overhand, swivel to underhand, back to overhand, swivel to underhand, last time back to overhand, and now we're gonna swivel to underhand and go small in split time, sync it up so it's together time. We'll start from overhand again, same time. Okay, stall back, stall front, back to overhand. Now we're gonna bring it into the buzzsaw. So bring it in, pinch the poi, split the time, you're in your buzzsaw. Then we're gonna bring it back to the outside, sync it back up in same time, put your right foot forward, go into split time. Now we're gonna make it big, and then swivel left to underhand, swivel right to overhand, swivel left to underhand. That's 2 times. Now we're gonna swivel back to overhand, and back to underhand, and then one more set so that we'll end on this side. Back to overhand, and then one more time to underhand. Hold it here on the underhand side. Make it small, so it's small in split time. Then sync it up to together time. Stall forward, stall backward. We're gonna try and wrap both poi on the outside of the arm. Get it small. So wrap it, and then we're gonna bring it to the inside into the underhand buzzsaw on the inside. So we do that figure 8 from the outside to the inside into that buzzsaw here.